I am a co-founder of Ivy, and Ivy is an app experience platform that I believe solves quite a few significant problems for the publishing industry. It's a result of a close collaboration with Schibsted through 4 years. Now, the mobile search looks like this. People are using more and more cell phones, and the habitual change is really prevalent, and it's upon us, and it's cool. The challenge is that we're fighting for the attention with so many global players, and we need to have amazing packaged content. Because in digital, packaging is actually everything. And creating beautiful, amazing mobile apps is costly. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and it costs a lot of money. Not only do you need a world-class team because you're competing against content players with the world's best developers and concept developers out there, you also need a certain speed to market, because if you have a strategy and you implement the strategy 10 months later you have the app, it's already obsolete. You need to be able to move faster than that. You also need to scale your offerings, especially if you have quite a lot of different apps. It's never sustainable to create a whole host of apps from scratch. That doesn't work, quite simply. It's not sustainable at all. And it's neither sustainable to use a white label service, making all your products look generic, and then you have to play by the strategic rules that your developer partner sets up for you, so you can't move the way you want, and you can't make a really great experience based on the rules that your product is setting. So that's why we created Ivy. Ivy is a platform that lets you create amazing user experiences that look beautiful across iOS and Android, mobile and tablet faster than ever. So this is an example that I'm going to talk about a bit later. We can set up things really flexible and help you move faster no matter what kind of infrastructure you have, no matter what kind of workflow you have in your current setup, and we can help you achieve scale. So a few examples. Berlingske Media came to us and they asked us, hey, can you make a low to no maintenance business app for our users that can increase readership, increase loyalty, and be really hassle-free for us to use? We asked for their APIs, and less than a week later, after we got a proprietary undocumented API, we were able to pull off this user experience with custom typography, custom design, custom navigation, custom packaging, and also suggestions on how they could use content marketing as a tool for monetization. So it was basically ready to go in the App Store in the first meeting we had with them. And when it went into the App Store, it won the European Newspaper Award as the only app in 2016. TV2 Norway have had more than 10 different APIs. They wanted to consolidate their offerings into one beautiful offering. That was impossible given their current state of the API. So we consolidated everything using our servers. And we also helped them build a Netflix competitor on top of that, and also consolidate all their content into one beautiful app offering. Egmont is one of the Nordic's biggest and most renowned magazine developers. They have a print-centric way of working, but they asked us, can we build this kind of Spotify mobile-first service for all our magazines, even though we have a print-based workflow? And we could, and now actually users can curate their own experience. Even though they have a print-based workflow, we integrated to that, extracted it, and we helped them create some kind of a Spotify service across different magazines really fast. And these apps here are built on the exact same source code. It's the exact same platform, but it solves different problems for different publishers. And it looks amazing, and it's actually something, it creates content that your users actually want to use and looks attractive and not like a generic copy of something that your competitors are doing. And I'm here to have a talk about this because I believe that we can collaborate with you guys in creating next level user experiences that are worth paying for and can take you to a new level strategically. And I'm even open to do joint ventures with you guys. So please hit at me and let's talk.